Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you what do you mean by WhatsApp green tick or a blue tick or a verified account on WhatsApp, and how you can apply for the same and what is needed to make your WhatsApp account a verified account from WhatsApp. Now coming to WhatsApp verified account or a blue tick account, what does it mean? WhatsApp blue tick or a green tick means that the number belongs to an official business account and it makes your business stand out from the crowd. Secondly, what is WhatsApp green tick? Okay, so the green tick is a classic WhatsApp badge verifying that your business is trustworthy. It indicates that WhatsApp guarantees that the phone number of this account matches that of your business it claims to represent. In this way, customer know that they are interacting with a real business. And now moving forward on this video of WhatsApp green tick, I'll give you more insight on this. So WhatsApp green tick is a verification that indicates that business is officially recognized by WhatsApp. It in this guide or in this video will also explore, I also tell you the steps to apply for the WhatsApp green tick and the benefits of being verified and some tips that would speed up the process. First, we'll start what is the difference between a verified and a non-verified account. Now for this we have to move to our WhatsApp screen. So what do you mean by a verified badge? Now verified means the tick that we get from the Meta or WhatsApp team. So this is our internal account Telugu. If you click on this account, you can see it has a tick. Now if you go here and click on there, it will show verified and a prompt will come. WhatsApp parent company Meta has verified this account based on their activity and information or document they have provided. One thing, okay? And if you this is a second account called Telugu Social. This is not a verified account, so you get there is no verified badge over here, and if you click here, nothing will come up. So the first biggest difference is this. Second difference is, for example, if you want to forward any kind of message, okay? Now if you forward any kind of message, the blue tick ones, you can see it comes with a blue tick, and which account are non-verified, it comes like normal WhatsApp. So this is one of the second difference between a non-tick and a tick account. And whenever anyone search for that account, the verified account comes in the top as per Meta's backend structure. So coming forward, now you know what is the difference between a verified and non-verified account. A WhatsApp account with the green tick is an official business account that has been authenticated by WhatsApp. The verification provides credibility and shows the customer that they are interacting with a trustful business. And in contrast, the non-verified account does not have this assurance, and which might impact the customer trust. Now, if you send a marketing campaign or a bulk campaign, if you send by a verified badge, it is less tendency for your customer to block you or report you as a spam, because they get a verified, they know that this message is coming from a verified business. Okay, now coming forward, what is the benefit of having a green tick? What's the benefit? Now benefit is you enhance the credibility. Customer trust that they are interacting with the official brand. Secondly, better visuality. Now once you interact with a non-verified and a verified account, so visual, it creates a kind of trust, and it creates a kind of assurance in the customer's back subconscious mind that yes, they will not indulge in any fraud and it is a genuine business. The business name appear in the contact list even if the number is not saved. Now, if the number is not saved, Telugu is doing a marketing campaign and the Telugu number is not saved on the customer's list. Okay, it will automatically come by customer name only, Telugu with a green tick. It will not come with the number. For example, if I forward the number, I'll just show you an live example. Okay, if I forward a number to an unknown person, okay, so let me forward this message. Okay, you can see. Let me search one person which is not in my contacts. So here you can see this is a number, right? I have not saved this number, so it is coming by a number. But when it comes to WhatsApp API accounts and WhatsApp verified account, this number I have not saved, this number I have not saved, but automatically it is coming with the name. So this is one of the benefits of having a green tick. Coming to higher engagement, verified accounts tends, and it is proven that it is better in receiving customer interaction and therefore leads in higher sales. So this is one of more benefit. There are many benefits. There are these 3-4 points are the main advantage of having a verified account. Now, I hope now you are clear what do you mean by a WhatsApp verified account, green tick, blue tick account. So basically, it was green tick before WhatsApp. Because WhatsApp color is green, Meta would has done this sticker green color, but in previous like 10-15 days before, they have changed the color, they have updated the version and changed the color to the blue color. Now moving forward, what do you need to apply for a verification? Now coming to this, now for applying for a verified account, you need either you need to connect your WhatsApp account with your Meta Facebook Business Manager. Now there are two ways. Either you can take service from any of the service provider. Telugu Social is one of the service provider which provides WhatsApp API service. So if you do that, then automatically the number is connected to your Facebook Manager. Second is, if you don't want to like buy an API service, you can connect your WhatsApp business account on your Facebook Business Manager. So first thing, you require a Facebook account. This is one of my clients' account. First thing, you require a Facebook account. Second thing, you require a business manager account. Facebook.business.com. You should have a business portfolio here, and that portfolio should be verified. Here we have another video which tells you how you can verify your account. Coming to, after the verification is done, you need to either you can contact a BSP, business service provider, for getting your WhatsApp API account, or else you have to connect your WhatsApp business account over here. Now after the WhatsApp account is converted, okay, you need these two are very important. Okay, the third thing that is very crucial for getting the verification is your business should comply with the WhatsApp commerce policy, WhatsApp policy. Okay, and fourthly, what you will require to apply for a green tick is a strong online presence. Okay, like a website, social media profiles. Your Facebook account has more followers. You should have at least 5 PR articles, news articles, okay, with you. You should have 5 news articles that your business is renowned and known. So here, so I'll show you what do I mean by article. So I have example 5 articles with me. So article number 1, okay. Now it defines a company. What is a company doing? Okay, it can be online articles, magazine articles, news articles, any kind of PR articles. More beneficial for you would be the article should not be like very old, like 4 or 5 years old. Yes, but anywhere between the articles newer to 2 years old articles would work. Like you're not doing spam, you're not sending, you're not blocked by your customers, and everything is on point. Then and if you have this 5 PR articles, then we can go ahead and apply for your Facebook verification, WhatsApp account verification. Now I'll show you how you can apply for your green tick. Okay, now this is the account, okay, for one of my client called Simply Healthy. Now WhatsApp account, there is an option called WhatsApp account where the WhatsApp is connected. Okay, you have to go to the settings option and scroll all the way down. You'll get an option of WhatsApp manager. You have to click on WhatsApp manager. Then a second tab will open where you will get an option of insights, flows, phone numbers, catalogs, okay, on your left hand corner. You have to click on option called phone number. Now this is a phone number that is connected to your WhatsApp. You can see this is a number connected to the WhatsApp. Now if I show you this number on the WhatsApp, okay, you can see this is the number that is connected to WhatsApp. You can see this is a WhatsApp API account. You can see this customer is a Telugu social customer who is using the WhatsApp API service. So when we link, this business is using a secure service from Meta to manage the stats. Okay, so this is a WhatsApp API account. Now it's a WhatsApp API account, that's why the name is visible. But if you are using a WhatsApp business account, the name will not be visible, only a number will be visible. Now here, if I want the verification badge such as like Telugu, like Pective, okay, what I have to do? So I told you the requirements. Now coming back to the process, now you click on WhatsApp account, then you go to settings and you click on WhatsApp manager, then you come to this page called WhatsApp manager. Then you have to click on the option called phone number, where you click on the option called settings on your right hand corner. Then you lead to this page that shows the insights, profile, automation, message link, two-step verification, message history of your WhatsApp number. Now you have to click on profile option. Okay, in the profile option, if you click, okay, there will be an option of submit an request. Okay, so I'll show you a screenshot because Meta is not working today. I'll show you screenshot what I'm referring from this. Okay, so here if you see, if you click on profile section, okay, you get an option to and submit the request to get an official blue check mark, okay, next to your name. This shows that WhatsApp has confirmed an authentic and noble brand account owns this account. Okay, if you click on submit request, this is the screen that pops up after that. Okay, I'll just show you this request for a business account where you have, I told you need 5 PR articles. Now your website will not work, your own Facebook and Instagram pages will not work, self-published, paid or promoted content will not work. It should be in some renowned newspapers, magazine, etc. Your own articles will not work. Okay, you need 5 external articles. Now your website, then here you have to submit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 articles, the 5 PR articles, and then you get a column for additional supporting information. Now here's the trick. Now you I have a prompt with me, I have a format with me, which I write a kind of email type of thing to Meta to get easier and quicker update. Now when you click on submit, it takes 24 to 48 hours for Meta to approve your request. Now, if Meta does not approve your request, you cannot apply another request with the next 30 days. It's a cooling period of 30 days. Then only you can reapply to request for an official business account. Now, the prompt which I use is like something like this. I call it template, where I write, dear Meta verification team, I hope this message finds you well. I'm writing to formally request the verification of our WhatsApp account for Telugu, a well-established and reputed entity in the field of professional communication services. Our official Facebook page can be found at the following link. Now we give Meta our Facebook page. Now if your Facebook or Instagram page is having more followers, okay, more likes, so you can use that as an additional information when you apply for the same, like additional supporting information you can give it. Okay, then I just tell what is Telugu. I tell a little 2-3 point about Telugu. Then I give the reason of the verification, that why the Telugu needs the verification. And then for example, the verification will enhance the credibility of our WhatsApp account. It will significantly improve customer interaction by ensuring that all account is easily recognizable as official Telugu account. Verification will further strengthen trust among our customers and partners. Now, I in the ending of the message, I'll give some supporting information, such as what is our official website, what is our LinkedIn page, and what is our Facebook page. Okay, I'll give this information. Now, our Facebook page of Telugu is also very well known. It is 20,393 followers. So this will also help to build more credibility and more let Meta know that yes, this company is well known. Okay, then in ending, we'll just end by requesting Meta. We believe that obtaining green tick will be greatly benefit our business operation and customer engagement. We appreciate your consideration of our request and looking forward for positive response. Thank you for your assistance. Now this format, this template, you can just change your company names, about company names, and use the same template. And when you click on here, additional information, you can just copy paste this template, use changing your company name and supporting documents, and click on submit. After you click on submit, the page will redirect to this page called in review official business account. When we start the process, it is something like submit request. When we submit the articles, give us supporting additional information, click on submit, then it will come as in review. Okay, it takes 1 to 2 business days to Meta to either reject the application or to give you the verification. But if Meta approves the request, your number will get the green tick, green badge, just like Telugu or any other customer. Now for example, how many customers? We have many customers who we have helped in getting a green tick, such as Pective is one of our clients as having green tick. Avis UAE has a green tick. Shopify, Shop Scientific has a green tick. DSC Cleaning Services, it's okay. Now Land is one of account, but does not have a green tick. Okay. Now Ginos Delhi has a green tick. So there is many account that has a green tick, and we have helped them to get a green tick by using the same tricks and same process which I told you earlier on this video. So if you now this is all for this video of what is a WhatsApp account, what do you mean by a green or blue tick verification on WhatsApp, what are the tricks, what do you need to get the account verified. Now if you need any assistance in applying for a green tick, and if you have any problem, we have experts on Telugu that can help you to get your account verified by Meta. So if you can do it by yourself, and if you need anything and you want a help from Telugu, you can get back to us on our official email IDs or our support WhatsApp IDs, that is support@telugusocial.com. Thank you. That's all for your video. Thank you for your time. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.